Rust-Oleum Peel Coat is a removable rubber coating that provides endless customization options for automotive applications. Before you use Peel Coat, make sure the surface you are painting is clean. To avoid overspray, it's recommended to mask off all areas around the rim, including the brake rotors, lug nuts, and the tire. Cover the tire with a trash bag or a piece of plastic. Carefully cut along the rim using a razor or scissors, then remove. Secure the plastic with tape and place index cards between the tire and the rim for a clean line and to prevent overspray. Read all instructions before beginning your project, and once you're ready to apply, shake the can vigorously for 1 minute. Apply in even coats, keeping the can 8 to 12 inches from the surface. Spray in a steady, back and forth motion, slightly overlapping each stroke. It is important to apply the first coat relatively light, aiming for 50% coverage. Allow the paint to dry 3 to 4 minutes between coats, then apply 3 to 4 more coats. Remove the masking tape and index cards while the coating is still wet. Let the surface dry 24 hours before full use. Now you can enjoy your newly customized car. Once you've decided to remove Peel Coat, begin at one edge and slowly rub the coating until it begins to peel off. The coating should come off in large pieces. For additional information and how-to videos on a wide range of Rust-Oleum products, visit www.rustoleum.com.